The Ring security system's been a good fit for me and for my home. It may be also for you. It's a simple system, simple to install. Most of its components are run on a battery. This one's a rechargeable battery for the keypad, and I occasionally have to plug it in, depending on if I have it on battery saver or not. It will, if it's not, then it detects motion and lights up, has a backlit keypad, and it's very easy to use. It's easy to punch in your numbers. My kids have codes that they can enter, and I know who is entering the code from my phone. Here's the base. It's where it actually does plug in and connects to your internet, and it's where the alarm comes from. It's a very loud alarm. I think it would be enough to run someone off. The components, the devices that connect to your doors and windows look like this. They stick one on one side, one on the other, and so it detects if there is an opening, and they run on batteries. I've had mine for 2.5 years and have not had to change a battery yet. The motion sensor will stick to a wall or wherever you need it, and it's very good. It does what it's supposed to do. It will detect my 80-pound dog moving around. So here's one of the devices connected to a window. Again, they're easy to install. You clean off the area and then stick it down, and they all do run on batteries. So the app is really the control center for your system. It's how you set it up, how you would make any changes or use it. It's very easy to use, and if you set your system up and then you need to add devices to it, it's still very easy to do that and incorporate anything that you would need. I've added a few things over the time, and I've found it very easy. Also, you have your cameras here that connected. If you have cameras as part of your system, I have a Ring doorbell and a Ring indoor camera, and they both come up with views on the app, or you can open them as live views from the same app. So again, I find that helpful. It's also all very compatible with Alexa, and you can ask Alexa to arm and disarm the system for you. As you see the different levels of protection, you can pay $20 a month to get everything, or it's $200 a year, I believe, or you can pay for less, depending on what you need. If you only want to monitor your own system and see what your cameras record, I think you can start out at $4 a month. The system itself comes in different sizes, depending on what you think you need. And for me, I have a lot of windows and doors and a couple of extras that I've added on, and I think I've spent in the neighborhood of $450 on my setup. So the overall, my greatest likes are it doesn't have to be managed a lot. It doesn't need a lot of things changing. I haven't had to do anything. It's a very hands-off system compared to many smart home things that seem like I'm always having to update or adjust or reconnect something. And with Ring, it's always working. It's done what it needs to do. It's the right sensitivity for us and the right amount of monitoring. So I appreciate you watching. Thank you.